So let's try to understand how this actually works. The tower of coins is currently at rest and is not moving when you lie them and stack them on each other. According to Newton's first law of motion, objects at rest stay at rest unless acted upon by an external force. So that means an object like these tower coins will remain at rest unless you apply a force, unless you push them or pull them. So there's a coin at the bottom. So to make the coin move at the bottom, you need to apply a force. You need to either push or pull it. So to make it move without, tipping the entire tower, you need to push it extremely quickly or pull it extremely quickly. And this is because of the frictional force. A frictional force is a contact force that appears when two objects come in contact against each other and rub against each other as they move past each other on a surface. So, if you push or pull an object extremely slow, then friction helps pull or push the tower along with the bottom coin. But if you push or pull extremely quickly, the coins still rub, but the frictional force doesn't have enough time to get the entire stack to move, and so the coin exits the stack without pulling the tower with it.